everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now that Feb is over with, I thought I'd make a favorites video for this month. I've never done one of these before, so I hope you like it, and if you do then please do give it a thumbs up and let's get into it. I'll start with my most favorite category, and that is books. I've just finished reading The Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri, and it's a wonderful book. My grandmother gave it to me a couple of years ago, but I just recently picked it up and I really liked it. It's basically about a Bengali family that moves to the US. The book is focused more towards their son Gogol and about his life and how he grows up and identifies himself as a person, and I think it's a wonderful book and it's a great read if you're interested. And currently I just bought a self-help book which is The Road Less Traveled, and it's basically a self-help book. It is not a story, but it's a compilation of various stories. Scott Peck is a psychologist, and these self-help books basically helps you understand human psychology and why people do what they do. As far as I've read, I think it's a really good book, and if you guys don't like reading, then I think it's a really good book for you, because the chapters are not interrelated, so you can just pick up a chapter which is like 6-7 pages long and read it, and you'll learn something from it. Now another one of my favorite category is food and beverage. So what I have been binging on this month has been the Tour Jodhpuri Parantha from the Tikka town. Oh my god, it is so good. They serve it with like the best dal makhani I've ever had and raita. And guys, I'm a non-vegetarian, and this is like the first vegetarian dish that I actually have come to relish, so you should definitely try it out. So now my beauty favorites has been the DIY body scrub that I have recently made. Now I'm not just saying it because I made it, but it's really good, and it's very soft on your skin. I use it like twice a week on Saturdays and on Wednesdays. It's super cheap and easy to make, and I think it's a great substitute for those expensive body shop scrubs. And scrubs are actually very important for your body because they help remove the dead skin cells. So I'll have a link to that video down below, and in case you want to try it out, which I recommend you should, then please do watch it. Now that the weather is changing and it's getting very hot and humid outside, my skin has started to become very oily, and whenever that happens, I always use a lot of toner on my face. I really like the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Toner from the Body Shop. It's actually really good because it helps wipe your face of the dust and sweat that tends to cause pimples in the long go. You can even use like natural toners like milk or rose water or anything like that, but I have been loving this month, so yeah, it's one of my favorites. The last beauty favorite for me this month has been this nail polish. I'm someone who really likes bright colors, and now that spring is right around the corner, all the nude, warm, maroon winter colors should go inside in the back of your cupboard, and you should come out with the bright, happy colors like this, or pinks and yellows. One of my beauty, or is it called fashion favorite? I don't know. It's fashion favorite maybe, have been these earrings, and they're really pretty. I think there's something different. I think you can pair them up with a western look like I have, or kurtis and suits. The first has been an app, and that is Crownit. Guys, I do not know why people don't download Crownit on their phones. If you don't have it, you should download it now. So basically the funda is, whenever you go out, all you have to do is click a picture of the bill and they'll give you cash back. And you can use that cash back for talk time, paying your bills, or movie tickets, or vouchers at Jabong, Flipkart, Amazon. So I basically encourage all my friends to download it, but now the sad part is that only one person can upload per bill. So now we fight about it, but oh well. My other favorite is this headphone. I got this actually for my birthday, but I always listen to my songs on this, and again, it's a really bright color. I don't know whether most of you would like this color or not. The only issue I feel is that it's a little big, so it occupies a lot of space in your bag. Apart from that, the sound quality is really good, and it's just for 2,000 rupees, guys. So if you want it, it's available on Amazon and Flipkart. And now guys, for my favorite songs. I am not much of an EDM person. I'm sorry. I don't know, I feel I'm the only person who doesn't like EDM. Is it true? Comment down below if you also don't like EDM. The first favorite is Love Yourself by Justin Bieber. I actually like a lot of his songs from his new album Purpose. Yeah, so my second favorite song is Hands to Myself by Selena Gomez. And now, for the actual song, yes, that I have been listening to a lot these days is Vakra Swag. I went to a wedding recently and everybody was dancing to it, and it's just a really nice song. You know, one of those songs that you get hooked onto when you listen to it. So yes, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and thank you for 300 subscribers. Woo! That's a great deal for me, and I just want to keep growing and expanding on this channel, so please do subscribe to it if you haven't, and please share it with your friends and family and on Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media you use. If you have any feedback or video requests or anything you want to say to me, then please do leave a comment down below. So I'll see you next time. Until then, take care, stay happy, and bye!